Hello everybody, welcome back to Berrybrook, and I've got this lovely fun little car here for you today. This is a 1994 Ford, so this is the 1.6 CVH engine. It's a 5-speed one. You can see from the front you've got bumpers, you've got that front and rear, badge bar and spotlights on this car. And you can also see that you've also got 15-inch wire wheels on this car as well. There they are, with one centre nut on there. Bonnet belts, that helps complete the classic kind of look. You've got the traditional hood on here, so no easy up on this particular one. As we go around the back, you can see you've got a single tier luggage and a full-size spare tyre on there. You've also got a stainless steel exhaust on there, it really does pop. This is Corsa red. I think it looks absolutely spectacular, especially on the inside, but I'll show you the inside in a second. There we go, look at that car. This car has got about 57,000 miles on it, with good service history. Got the tan leather inside and on the dash as well. Tell you what folks, what's better than just jumping in the car and going for a drive? Come on, follow me. Hello everybody, welcome back to Berrybrook. Thanks for joining me on this gorgeous sunny day. We're here in Devon in the sunshine with blue skies, very little clouds, in a Morgan 4.4 on the country roads, side screens down, which you'll probably be able to tell. Little sports exhaust on this thing. So giving me a little howl out the back there. Little bouncy ride. There is not much more fun than doing this. Got a small engine in a light car. Don't know if you can hear that. I can, and it's making me smile. The great thing about the 4.4s is they are smaller than the rest of the range. You feel like you're really hammering it along when you look down and you're doing up to 45 miles an hour. Great fun. I do love this classic motoring. Let's see where we can go today. Don't like this turn. We're going to do it anyway. Let's have a look. So we'll just potter along through the country lanes. It's what, you know, what this car is designed for, you know. Must be able to hear that surely. So you got a little wooden motor lead to steering wheel on this one here, which you do get a huge amount of feedback from, so you really know where you are on the road. You can feel everything, which I kind of like when you're on this kind of road. It's great fun exploring those little lanes, not worrying about how wide your car is, will it fit down it. If it's one of these, yes it will. I don't sit down it like that. So it's got the old CVH engine, it being a slightly older car. Which means if you are into tinkering, if you want to do a little bit yourself, then you can. It's the proper old school motoring. Rear-wheel drive, no driver aids whatsoever. It really is down to your skill or lack of skill as a driver. Obviously be careful, you never know what's around that next corner. This car's got weather carb on it as well, just to help with performance, gives it a really peppy drive. I absolutely love these cars. Let's see if we can get this into reverse. Yes, we can. Again, reason why you've got to be careful. There is something just about gears 2 and 3 on something like this. Good history on this car as well. Lovely colour, red. Got, as you probably see from the beginning of the video, you've got the bonnet belt on there as well. Luckily it's bright red, not green. People tend to see it a little bit more. Oh, I love these cars. But if you're interested in this car, any of our cars, please get in touch, email, phone, pop in and see me. Hello, pigeon. I'll take you around the cars we've got, take you out in the cars. Let's get it back up. Get it parked back up. What a day job. Just the best of fun. I hope you enjoyed the video, folks. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you again another time.